ॐ नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्द सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Today is National Youth Day, which is birthday of Swami Vivekananda, the greatest Vedantist of all times. Today, when I was reading the book Lectures from Colombo to Almora, I came across the beautiful word Shraddha while Swamiji was narrating the story of Nachiketa from Kathopanishad. The beautiful word Shraddha was not translated in its literal meaning by Swamiji. He refrained from translating the word Shraddha into English. He left it for us to understand the meaning of the word Shraddha for ourselves. What happens in this story of Nachiketa in Kathopanishad? Nachiketa's father wanted a boon from the Devatas, and so he was performing a sacrifice. He was giving away all his possessions, and Nachiketa was observing the whole process. So when his father was giving away all the cows and cattle he was having, Nachiketa noticed that his father was giving away only those cows which were of no more use to him. The moment Nachiketa observed this incident, Shraddha entered him. Shraddha entered his psyche. This is what has been narrated in that story of Kathopanishad. Swamiji says Shraddha is that attribute which provided Nachiketa with the intense boldness which made him feel that he is also worthy of something. Nachiketa said that moment when Shraddha entered him, I am superior to many and I may be inferior to a few, but I am of course not the last. I am worthy of something and I am also able to do something. So this boldness which arose in Nachiketa because of Shraddha gave him so much strength that he became ready to face Yama, the Lord of Death, to solve the mystery of death and learn what happens after death, the eternal knowledge of the eternal truth from no one else other than Yama himself. Swamiji says this boldness, this conviction, this faith in self should be cultivated by all of us, and Nachiketa showed us the way. The word Nachiketa means one who does not lose his energy while continuously revolving in a particular path. This means one who does not lose the consciousness even while on a continuous journey, which is endless and which keeps on moving in a fixed path from the start to the end. So we are all like Nachiketa, who keep on going through the process of birth and death in a cyclic process, one life after another. But we should not lose our consciousness in this process. We should be firm in our resolve to explore our inner selves, which will give us the boldness to face all the challenges of life and death. This boldness comes from Shraddha. This faith in self is called Shraddha. Once we have Shraddha for our own selves, we can have Shraddha for each other, we can have Shraddha in everything, we can have Shraddha for every aspect of our state of being, and we can have Shraddha for the entire country, entire universe, the whole cosmos. This Shraddha is very much required in today's context. We should not lose faith in ourselves even in the face of this calamity called pandemic, the COVID situation, which is tormenting our lives every now and then for the past 2 years. We should have Shraddha in ourselves, we should have Shraddha in the healthcare system, and we should nurture the hope that good days will of course come only if we stick to all the rules and protocols. This is having Shraddha in the protocols which are required to be followed during a pandemic situation. We should have Shraddha in restraining ourselves as much as we are having Shraddha in the healthcare system, and also Shraddha in the hope that good days will surely come. Swamiji urges all of us to have Shraddha in all phases of our life, because it will provide us with the required strength and boldness to face life with all the strength necessary and make best use of all our capabilities, irrespective of our limitations. Finally, I'd like to end with this beautiful line which I have come across in the book Lectures from Colombo to Almora by Swami Vivekananda. Be strong and have this Shraddha, and everything else is bound to follow. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.